Hi, Dr. Ken Adams here with you to discuss overcoming enmeshment and the reasons to include and not include your family and family therapy as you chart your independence from them. The first is the goal of independence from family of origin is to move toward your own emancipation, your own passion, your own purpose. It is not relational repair per se, right? You're not trying to fix the disappointment that's occurring with your parents. The purpose of enmeshment recovery is to move forward in your own life and to let your parents sort out their feelings about that experience. Two, if family therapy is between the enmeshing adult and the adult child who played a more specific role of a surrogate husband or wife to that parent growing up, then family therapy will likely feel like marital therapy to that enmeshed adult child, and that'll feel pretty icky and could cause a lot of problems. So in that case, family therapy is contraindicated as well. Three, while you deserve your parents' blessing for your life's journey, emancipation is not a negotiation with them. You don't need their blessing or their approval, even though you might like it. Further, I would argue that your journey of emancipation to become your own person is part of a developmental responsibility to your own spirit. So in that case, family therapy is not needed. The fourth is a little more specific, and that is I have seen instances where family therapy, a family therapist who's dealing with parents who are dealing with their disappointment and their grief, and all parents have grief around their adult children separating, but if they're dealing with their grief around their emancipating adult child, they may invite the adult child back into family therapy to help the parents better understand their child's need for independence. Often, and I've had more than one phone call and exchange around this, often that becomes another way to dismantle the adult child's emancipation, where he or she begins to feel regressive in their attempts to separate. So in that instance, I would say family therapy is not needed. If negotiation is unavoidable, for example, say you have an aging parent and there needs to be a sorting out process between siblings and or with the parent around care, around finances, then family therapy may be helpful. Or for another example, say there's a family business which adds a layer of enmeshment and disentanglement. Sometimes family therapy can be helpful in sorting out how to rearrange the contractual needs around emancipation within the business. So check out my YouTube channel or my website for further information if you found this helpful and interesting for you.